Imagine this: in just 60 seconds, your life could change forever. What if the impossible could become your reality with a simple yet powerful technique? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Neville Goddard's teachings, unveiling a method that takes only 1 minute but holds the power to manifest your deepest desires. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to harness this transformative practice and discover the secrets behind why it works. This isn't your typical manifestation advice. It's a unique approach rooted in visualization and emotional alignment, with a twist that even seasoned manifestors might not know. Stay with us till the end, as we reveal not just how to use this method, but also the science and metaphysics that make it so effective. If you've ever doubted your ability to create miracles, this video might just change your mind and your life. Welcome to Imaginative Realities. If you're ready to tap into your full potential and explore the infinite possibilities of your imagination, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let's get started. Neville Goddard emphasized that the most profound changes often come from the simplest actions. 1 minute of focused intention can be a game changer. Why? Because during that brief moment, your energy and mindset align perfectly with your desire. This isn't about wishing or hoping, it's about believing with absolute certainty that what you want is already yours. The law of assumption is the key here. It teaches us to shift from merely wanting something to embodying the feeling of already having it. In that single minute, you close the gap between desire and reality. You imagine your wish fulfilled so vividly that it feels real in the present moment. The mind doesn't distinguish between what's vividly imagined and what's real, so your subconscious begins to accept this new reality as fact. Think of it like planting a seed. When you hold that focus and emotion for just 1 minute, you impress your desire onto your subconscious mind, setting the manifestation process in motion. It's not the duration, but the intensity and clarity of your belief that matters. Every thought during that minute should reflect the truth that your desire is already realized, and that truth begins to shape your external world. The process to manifest in just 1 minute begins with relaxation. Take a deep, calming breath and let the tension leave your body. This quiets your mind and creates a receptive state, preparing you to focus entirely on your intention. When your mind is still, it becomes like a blank canvas, ready to receive the image of your desire. Next comes visualization. Close your eyes and picture your desired outcome as if it's already happened. Don't just see it, immerse yourself in it. Add details that make it feel vivid and real. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, imagine yourself at your desk, smiling as you work. Notice the sounds, the surroundings, even the texture of the objects in your imagined scene. As the image becomes clearer, shift your focus to emotional alignment. Feel the emotions you would experience if your desire were already true. Is it joy, gratitude, excitement? Let those feelings wash over you. The stronger your emotions, the more powerfully you impress this image onto your subconscious mind. Finally, release and trust. After holding your focus for 1 minute, gently let go of the thought. Trust that the seed has been planted and will grow in its own time. Avoid overthinking or doubting. Your role is simply to act as if it's already done and let the process unfold naturally. This balance of focus and surrender is the essence of 1 minute manifestation. Let's say you want to manifest a new job offer. Start by finding a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Take a deep breath, inhaling slowly and exhaling completely, letting your body and mind relax. With your eyes closed, begin visualizing the moment you receive the job offer. Imagine the call coming through, hearing the excitement in the recruiter's voice as they share the good news. Picture yourself smiling as you respond, feeling the weight of relief and joy. See yourself sharing the news with a loved one or celebrating the achievement. Notice the details in this scene: the sound of the person's voice, the background noises, the light in the room, or even how your phone feels in your hand. The more specific you are, the more vivid the image becomes. Now focus on how you feel in this moment. Let the emotions of excitement, pride, and gratitude fill you completely. Feel your heart swell with happiness as you realize your hard work has paid off. Let the sensation of fulfillment anchor the image in your mind. Once the minute is complete, gently release the visualization. Trust that it's now set into motion, like planting a seed in fertile soil. Move forward with your day as if the job is already yours, confident that the universe is aligning everything to bring it into your reality. This technique works because it bridges both science and spirituality, tapping into the immense power of your subconscious mind. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is vividly imagined. When you visualize with intense focus and strong emotion, you impress this desired reality onto your subconscious, which then works to align your thoughts, behaviors, and energy to manifest it into your physical world. On the spiritual side, everything in the universe operates on energy and frequency. By visualizing and feeling as though your desire has already manifested, you align yourself with the frequency of your goal. This alignment is what attracts the circumstances and opportunities needed to make it a reality. In essence, you are tuning into the vibration of your desired outcome, drawing it closer to you. Repetition strengthens this process. The more often you practice, the more natural it becomes for your mind to accept this new reality. Faith plays an equally critical role. Believing without doubt that the process works allows you to bypass resistance and reinforce the impression on your subconscious. Together, repetition and faith create a powerful synergy, accelerating the manifestation process and making it inevitable. Remember, this technique is something anyone can do, no matter your current situation. You don't need special tools or years of practice, just 1 minute of your time each day. Give it a try for the next 7 days. Focus on a single desire, follow the steps, and see how your reality begins to shift. The results might surprise you. Manifestation is a skill, and like any skill, it grows stronger with practice and faith. You hold the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. The possibilities are endless when you align your mind and emotions with your desires. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to Imaginative Realities for more insights and techniques to unlock your full potential. Together, let's turn imagination into reality.